Ka Office u Deputy Commissioner Election Branch West Jaintia Hills District ha ka arpo santrik kalalingkan kala rakhe ya kasngi karpang jongki nongthep vote halor kapang nothing like voting I vote for sure ha ka jingalang ka balalong haphalau ka election branch juwai la IT ya ki voters ID card ne epic sha ki samla ki bayot thep vote ningkong baro ki nongthep vote thymmai ki basha penkup buram ki dan sap khandai ngot na ki south li ki constituency kunthup ka wan nartiang 2 juwai 3 ralyang but 4 mokaya ha ka ni kasngi ladon lang u deputy commissioner ba BS Solia IAS ka additional deputy commissioner kong B bla MCS ki ADC ki bakunthup ya uba FB basan kong HML kenta kong DV Lingdo bat ki assistant commissioner ba S Phanbo bat ba WK Kharbuli na lor ki nongthep vote thymmai UDC ba BS Solia ubadeiru district election officer ulakentu ya baro ki nongthep vote thymmai shinrang bat kenthei banya shimbanta ha ki election lok sabha banwan ula khotru ka jinga trailang jong ki nong shong shnong kumju ki nong elam shnong bandan ka jingkit khle ha ka ne ki election lok sabha khnang banyo ya ka election ka ba khoi ka ba suba ka kong bi bla ha ka jingkran lam khman kala batai shaphang ka jingkong san jong ka ni kasngi bar kala pentep ru baya ka ni kasngi la rakhe ha baro ars spotlight pho tili ki polling station jong ki south tili ki constituency but ki nongthep vote ha ki south tili ki assembly constituency ki long shilak ripun riu hajar news pa arpu prangot
everybody who have crossed the age of 18 have the right and should exercise the right of franchise. That's why the theme, nothing like voting, I vote for sure. This was coined by the Election Commission of India. There's nothing like voting, which is, when you think about it in a line, just read it like that, at first reading, it sounds very simple. Nothing like voting. But when you go deeper, you realize that everything else revolves on that line. Everything else revolves on that line, which is like we take part in the democratic process. We are a country, a very vibrant democracy, the largest in the world, and we've been thriving as a democracy, as an independent nation right from 1947. Elections have been held continuously since then, and with good success rates, but nothing like voting. And we have survived from 1947 to this day because of that line, nothing like voting. If we have decided suddenly not to vote, I think there will be chaos in the country. The country will not run anymore because as citizens we are not taking part. But the fact that we are taking part by voting shows that we are alive and thriving and getting stronger from day to day. During MP elections, people tend to take it lightly. Perhaps they won't find the need or the reason to come out to vote wholeheartedly as during MLA elections, or for that matter maybe MDC elections. But for MP, we always, we don't have such a good record as far as voting turnout is concerned. But this time I appeal to everyone, like by these lines, nothing like voting, I vote for sure that we will come out in good numbers. We shall attempt. I know we are a very competitive community. As a community and as a district, we are very competitive. So we should compete and to show the state and the rest of the country also that this time around during MP elections, we shall come out in good numbers. We shall try to cross at least we shall cross the 90% and we shall try to reach 100%, but we shall come out and vote in good numbers.